Hi, it's Jason from Fine & Country and I'm thrilled to be introducing you to Cranford House. This is a 5-bedroom period property that also has its own barn conversion, a 2-bedroom self-contained holly let, so ideal for anyone who's looking for an income potential, also maybe potentially for dual occupancy. There's a number of outbuildings as well with this property, so come on, let's take a look. Venturing in off of the central courtyard and into the main house is this wonderful open plan kitchen with 2 windows providing natural light into the space, which expands over 20 foot in length. We've got twin Belfast sinks, we've got this wonderful central island, and we've got a working Aga as well. So Cranford House itself is a fantastic Victorian property. It has had subsequent additions like the room we're standing in now. It does have 3 reception spaces, 5 bedrooms upstairs and 3 bathrooms. So as well as the main house, Cranford House also has its own holiday let accommodation, and this is Cranford Cottage, a self-contained barn that has been fully converted for holiday letting purposes. It's reverse level, so all of the accommodation is on the first floor. You've got 2 bedrooms downstairs and you've also got a bathroom as well. So if you're interested in a property like this, that is only a mile away from Wolseley and 4 miles from the coast, give us a call today on 01237 426 018. Thank you.